Hey everyone! Today, we'll be talking about a simple but powerful agent that we call the Dial Reference Assistant. This application is designed to tell users about what Dial is, how it works, and even how to build simple agents yourselves. To do this, we've indexed all of Dial's open source repositories, all public documentation, and all content through this YouTube channel. We also have a pipeline configured to automatically update and re-index information periodically. In our case, we do it every few days. When users ask questions, we rely on our Dial RAG and some clever prompt engineering under the hood to retrieve the most relevant pieces of information. Let's take a look at a few quick examples. First, let's ask it to tell us about the Dial Marketplace. You can see exactly what videos and documentation are being referenced for context as it generates an answer. In this case, we have an entire video dedicated solely to the marketplace, so it links us to the start of this video. Next, let's ask for help creating a simple Dial application to echo our prompts right back at us. You can see here that it pulls code samples from our SDK and formats it accordingly. Notice that it also tells us to modify the completions endpoint based on the generated code. I'll quickly demonstrate that this code actually works using our code apps concept, which allows you to deploy Dial Python applications directly in Dial itself. You can see that this Echo code app worked exactly as expected, with our prompts coming right back to us. So don't be shy. Ask us how to play with our Dial Reference Assistant and let it teach you more about the Dial platform. Within our organization, we've used this agent to help educate and provide a training ground for the thousands of users who use Dial every day. It has allowed us to quickly onboard engineers and boost productivity for our clients. We hope this simple demonstration helps spark some imagination about how you can use Dial applications to talk to your own data and educate your own workforce as well. Thank you.